Hello everyone, my name is Zahir Akhtar. I hope all of you good. Today I will discuss about this headphone, wireless headphone Boat 235v2. And one of the big disadvantage in this headphone is connecting problem. I just tell totally in this video regarding this headphone. I have been using this headphone last 2 or 3 months. So I just tell in this video. So let's start it. So firstly I am tell about the big mistake is connecting problem, and firstly 1 or 2 months going very well in this headphone, but after 2 months properly coming the disadvantage is connecting problem. So I am individually face this problem in this headphone. So I tell to you, if you think purchasing this headphone under 1200, I tell to you no, this is not very well. Another disadvantage is calling problem. The microphone is not very well. I was already uploaded a video comparison about the 235v2 and 255 Pro. And the 255 Pro microphone is too much good, and the calling is too much good. If you're using the 235v2 in the calling purpose, I tell you, this is not very well. Individually I am facing this problem. So I just tell to you, if you think you are using the only for purpose of calling, so I tell to you, no, this is not very well. Next disadvantage is the color. The color is not very well. If you going to another color, red, and the another color is maybe sky and blue like this. I am purchasing the black color is not very bad, black color is good. But if you're going to the another color, is not very well. The lighting color, matte color is not available, properly matte color is not available. I just suggested to you, if you think like under 1200 or 1300 this headphone is good or bad, so I tell to you, that's my individual opinion, this headphone is not very well. If you think you will purchase any wireless headphone, so regarding to the wireless headphone, so I tell to you, this headphone is not very well. 235v2, please going to 255 Pro, because I was already told about and already uploaded the differentiation between the 235v2 and the 255 Pro. And I tell to you, if you think like 255 Pro is good or bad, I tell to you, this is fail from 255 Pro. So I just suggested to you just to go into the description and click the affiliated link and directly purchase the 255 Pro. This one is better. So thank you for watching this video. If you a new viewer, so please like this video and subscribe, and do not forget about the click bell icon. If you think any question regarding this headphone or any question about the technological related, so please text in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Save drive and save life. Thank you so much.
ए भाई सुनना, मुस्कुराना लड़की का अदा होता है। ए भाई सुन, मुस्कुराना लड़की का अदा होता है, जो प्यार समझे वो गधा होता है। क्या बात है भाई, क्या बात है। सब्सक्राइब कर दे भाई, लाइक भी कर दे। हाँ, कर दे, सब्सक्राइब भी कर, लाइक भी कर। ना मिले तो तेरे घर से उठा लूँगा तुझे।